This is math. Welcome to the technical analysis of IndusInd Bank Limited. INDUSINDBK.NS is a financial services company with RSI 686.5 billion. Over the past 3 years, the stock has lost 10.1%. We will break down 4 key indicators: moving averages, Bollinger Bands, RSI, and MACD, because every line on this chart is a formula. Let us start with moving averages, the foundation of trend analysis. A simple moving average smooths price noise by averaging the last end closing prices. SMA 20 tracks the short-term trend. SMA 50 tracks the medium-term trend. The exponential moving average gives more weight to recent prices, so it reacts faster to new information. The key rule: when price is above the 50-period average, the trend is up. When below, the trend is down. A golden cross, the fast average crossing above the slow one, is one of the strongest buy signals in technical analysis. IndusInd Bank Limited is currently at RSI 918. The SMA 20 is at 873, and the SMA 50 is at 819. Price is above the 50-period average, indicating a confirmed uptrend. Watch how the moving averages act as dynamic support and resistance throughout the 3 years of price history shown here. Next, Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands place envelopes 2 standard deviations above and below the 20-period moving average. When the bands are squeezed narrow, volatility is low and a big move is building. When the bands are wide, the stock is already in a high volatility phase. Touching the upper band signals the stock is stretched, potentially overbought. Touching the lower band signals the stock is oversold, a potential bounce. The band width percentage tells you exactly how volatile the market is right now. Here is the Bollinger Band chart for IndusInd Bank Limited. The shaded region breathes in and out with volatility. Currently, the bands show wide volatility at 35.9%. The price is inside the bands, consolidating. Notice how the price repeatedly bounces between upper and lower bands over this 3-year period. Each touch of a band is a signal. Now the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. RSI measures momentum by comparing recent gains to recent losses over 14 periods. It oscillates between 0 and 100. Above 70, the stock is overbought. It has risen too fast. A correction may come. Below 30, the stock is oversold. It has fallen too fast. A bounce may come. Between 30 and 70, neutral. The market is balanced. When RSI crosses the 50 level upward, it signals strengthening bullish momentum. Here is the RSI chart for IndusInd Bank Limited over 3 years. The red dashed line at 70 marks overbought. The green dashed line at 30 marks oversold. The current RSI reading is 58.4. RSI is in neutral territory. Momentum is balanced between buyers and sellers. Finally, MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. MACD is built from the difference between a fast 12-period EMAₜ and slow 26-period EMAₜ. When the fast EMAₜ rises above the slow EMAₜ, a bullish crossover occurs. The signal line is the 9-period EMAₜ of the MACD itself. The histogram shows the gap between MACD and signal. When bars are growing, momentum is accelerating. When bars are shrinking, momentum is fading. Crossover points often mark major turning points in the trend. Here is the MACD chart for IndusInd Bank Limited. Green bars mean MACD is above signal, bullish momentum. Red bars mean bearish momentum. Currently, the histogram is contracting. The MACD line is above the signal line. Bullish momentum is confirmed. The MACD value is 30.68. Here is the complete technical summary for IndusInd Bank Limited. The stock has returned minus 10.1% over 3 years. RSI is 58.4 neutral. MACD is bullish. Price is above the 50-day moving average. The technical picture is constructive. Multiple bullish signals are aligning. Remember, this is math. Every number here has a formula behind it. Now, how do you automate these signals to maximize returns? The DHQ Conditional Trigger API lets you place orders automatically when exact technical conditions are met. No screen watching, no emotion, just math executing your strategy. Based on the current analysis of IndusInd Bank Limited, here are intelligent trigger setups you can configure right now. For AI, everyone is the same, but you watched the math, and now you know how to automate it. That is your edge. Like, share, and subscribe for more stock analysis.